about this one. So we fitted the seats to this probably about 3 years ago. So it's a 2021 Land Rover Defender D250 with a genuine rear seat conversion, which I'll show you later in this video. So it's a 110, full Land Rover history. It's a commercial, so you get all the benefits of getting your VAT back put through your business. You can offset 100% against your first year's tax. So all the BIK benefits are with this vehicle. It's got the wide arch kit. It's got the upgrade 20-inch black wheels. We can colour code the calipers for you. Side steps, black roof, full-size spare wheel, deployable towbar, front and rear Mudflaps classic style. There you go, that's the towbar working. So let's talk about the seat conversion, because that's the most important part. So this is the commercial. It's had the rear seat conversion, which is a full floor. So basically most of them just cut across with a carpet. It don't look that neat, but we put a full floor in. So this conversion was done 3 years ago and it still looks as good as new today. So HSE rear seats to match the front. This one's got the jump seat as well, so this is a 6-seater. So this one is an HSE genuine Land Rover seat conversion. We've activated the windows. If you look at our website at Seeker, that seat conversion alone is just over £10,000 with the seats, with the floor, with the windows. £10,000. So this car at 42,950 plus VAT looks exceptional value if you want a commercial with a proper set of seats, not a bench seat, a proper set of seats. So my focus is on the seats to make you realise that there's £10,000 worth of seats fitted to this commercial. It's also got a winter pack, which is your fog lights, your heated screen, your heated mirrors and your heated steering wheel. Like I said, it's got the jump seat, black roof lining. It's also got the memory seats and the upgrade Meridian sound. So loads and loads and loads of extras on this. It's going up for sale. Looks quite nice with the wide arches, the black wheels and the black roof. Give us a call at Seeker.